In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix join error on Roblox. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So you are encountering this error, that is a HTTP error has occurred. Please close the client and try again. That is error code 529. There are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Now, in the first method, you want to close your browser and open again, then try to log into your Roblox account. Now, if this is successful, then you'll have fixed the problem. However, if you still can't, then try and troubleshoot your browser by opening a new tab or closing and opening again. Then go to these ellipses here and look for settings. Now, from settings, go to privacy and security, and under this, look for delete browsing data. Select the length of period you wish to delete browsing data. I'll go with 24 hours and then check the boxes below before you delete your browsing data. Once you are done, now open your browser and try to log into your Roblox, and now everything should be up and running. But should this not work, then check and then see if you're using any VPN or if you have any recently installed security app. This might be the reason, and install it temporarily to see if this fixes your issue. You also want to ensure that your network connection is stable before you can log into your account. However, if it is impossible, try using a different browser, or you can also download Roblox app and see if that works. However, if the error still persists, you're still getting the same join error, then most likely Roblox might have experienced an internal server error that is causing this. For that, you'll need to wait for some few minutes and try to log into your account, and then everything should now be okay. You can now join and run normal operations on Roblox. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.